Hello friends, today we will discuss about breath watching. Breath watching is a very simple and effective meditation technique. Breathing is a very important door for the learning meditation. Our mental state is very much deeply related with the way we do the breathing. So whenever we are angry, then our breathing is different, and when we are sad, our breathing pattern is different. So if we can change the pattern of our breathing, then we can also alter the state of our mental state. Breath watching, we can do at any time, at any place. Let's say we are standing in a queue and waiting for our turn to come, then at that point of time also we can do the breath watching without the knowledge of any other person that we are practicing the meditation. So when we start focusing our attention into the breath, so there are a few changes. So first, a few changes in the sense we can discuss this physical sensation change, wandering thoughts, self awareness, and being present. So first one, we will touch upon this physical sensation part. So when we start noticing on the breath, there is a physical sensation that we can feel our chest is rising and it is falling. Observe the sensation of air entering and out, leaving our nose. The second one is wondering about the thoughts. So when we are sitting in a calm state, it happens to everyone that many thoughts come to our mind. So at that point of time, we have to gently guide our thought back to our breath. So it is about recognizing when our thought have moved away from our breath and bringing them back into the focus. The second thing is on the self awareness. So as we are observing our thoughts, we might have to notice the pattern of the thoughts and feeling that is consistently popping up within our mind. We have to start developing the understanding of our mind's inner charter and the feeling. By monitoring the inner voice, slowly we will try to understand why we feel or react in a certain manner to some external situation. So in short, we are trying to tell that we are slowly beginning to learn about our internal self. The last one is being present. So as we are focusing on our breath, so we are living in the present. So we are diverting, we are not fixed to the past or the future, wondering about the thoughts, desire, plans, and anything else. So many times after focusing on this breathe part, we feel a sense of calmness and a serenity. So next we will just move on. Okay, what could be the steps or how we could practice this simple breath watching meditation. So this is the very simplest, and typically whenever anyone is interested to do meditation, so this is the beginner level meditation that we can suggest to you guys. So we can divide this breath watching meditation into 5 steps. So the first one will be sit in a calm position. If you want to sit down, if you want to sit in a chair, or if you are traveling in a car or bus, sit in a comfortable position. Close your eyes and watch your incoming breath. So the our inhalation is entering the nose and it is reaching the chest. So this is the first one. So once our inhalation is complete and exhalation is about to start, so there is definitely a gap. So this gap is very much important for us to observe, because in these gaps only we try to bring our thought back, and these gaps are very much important. So when our breath is stopped, our thinking process or thought process also stops. So this is one thing. This is step 2. The third step will be exhalation is about to start. So the air is coming out from chest to the nose. So one cycle of exhalation is complete. So when the exhalation is complete and inhalation is about to start, there is a gap. So we have to put our attention on this gap. So we have to observe the entire cycle. The inhalation is getting completed, then the exhalation starting, exhalation getting completed, inhalation is starting. So here No need to do like deep inhalation and exhalation. If it is a slow, just need to observe. Air is entering, air is coming out, air is entering in left nostril, it is coming out in right nostril. Air is entering in right nostril, it is coming out in left nostril. Just need to observe the air, incoming and outgoing air. The third thing is like, whenever the third one is the, we have to start counting our inhalation, not the exhalation. So whenever one inhalation we are taking the air in, so that we should consider as a one, and there is a gap before exhalation begins. So in such a way we have to count from 1 to 10, and then again we have to count back from 10 to 1. So typically what happen, we should not go beyond 10. So if our focus is not into our breathing pattern, then definitely we will count after 11, 12. After beyond 10 also we will compute. But here so this is our cycle of breath watching. It's very simple. Just observe how we are inhaling and exhaling. So our attention, our thought process to bring back to the breathing pattern. So here we need to put our focus on two things. The one thing is that watching the breath, and particularly the gap between the inhalation and exhalation and inhalation. And the second important thing we should remember is that we are going to count from 1 to 10, not beyond that, and just do it reverse back, 10, 9, 8, and bring back to 1. So this is a simple process. So typically just a like a suggestion, we can do at any time, any point, any place, but the best practice is that once we take the bath, we should practice in the morning or before going to bed. It will calm down our body, and we will feel a state of calmness and being present. So hope this is a very simple meditation technique. Hope you like it, and I will be requesting everyone to start practicing, and you will see after practicing a period of 7 days also you will see a difference in your state of mind, the way you talk with others, the way you react to different external situation. So it will help a lot. So thank you guys.